the pronoun mad. Okay, this rule is actually associated with the Arabic pronouns who and he. So we'll go through some examples first, and then we'll go through some rules, and then we'll revisit these examples. So the first one here, looking at where we've got the underline in red, we have the two words anhu and maluhu. Now the maluhu is too long, i.e. the pronoun who has been lengthened to a length of 2. The small little symbol which looks a bit like a wow is indicating we have a pronoun mad taking place, i.e. we're lengthening the pronoun. Here's another case. So we've got raja'ihi, and the he, which is the pronoun, is being lengthened to 2, and the small symbol, which some people call a ya symbol, is indicating that the pronoun is being elongated to too long, so it's known as the pronoun mad. And the last example here, we have ma lahu, and the who there, which is the pronoun, has been lengthened to 4 long, and the small symbol again, which looks like the wow, has a mad sign on top of it, which is the little wave, and that's indicating that the length is 4, or sometimes it can be 5 as well. So let's talk about the rules itself. So the pronoun mad itself is called mad silah, and it's associated with the pronoun of who or he. Now the first ruling is, if the pronoun who or he is between a voweled and an unvoweled letter, i.e. a sakin letter, then the count will simply be 1. So you read it as normal, and that basically is known as the mad silah. Now when the pronoun of who or he comes between 2 voweled letters, then we have some elongation taking place. So the first rule is, if it's between 2 voweled letters and the letter after the who or the he is not a hamza, then it will be, the who or the he will be lengthened to 2 counts, and this is known as mad silah sughra. If the who or the he, i.e. the pronoun, is between 2 voweled letters and the letter which follows the pronoun is a hamza, then the count goes to 4 or 5. So that's known as mad silah kubra. Okay, so that's the ruling. So simply you take the pronoun who or he, have a look if the letters before and after are voweled. If the one before usually is unvoweled, then it will be a normal count of 1. If the who or he is between 2 voweled letters and it's not followed by the hamza, it will be a 2. If it is followed by the hamza, then it will be 4 or 5 counts. So let's revisit our examples. So the first one here, we have anhu and then ma. So the pronoun who is between the nun sakin and the meme with the fatha, so it's between a voweled and unvoweled letter, so it just remains of a normal count of 1. Now the second one, in ma luhu, the pronoun who is between the lam with the dhamma and the waw with the fatha, so it's between 2 voweled letters, and the one after it is not a hamza, so you lengthen to 2. Here we have the same sort of situation again. We have a raja'ihi, and the ain is voweled and the lam is voweled, so the pronoun he goes to 2 long, and it's indicated by the sign there. And the last case is ma lahu, which can be 4 or 5 long, and the pronoun who is between the lam, which is voweled, and the hamza, which is voweled, but the hamza is afterwards, so we lengthen it to 4 or 5 long. And you normally see the mad sign, which is the wave, above the small symbol which looks like the wow. And they're the rules for the pronoun mad.